Imagine this, you're on a spontaneous trip, exploring a new city, and you stumble upon a hidden gem of a restaurant. You're ready to indulge, but then you realize you've left your wallet back at the hotel. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, with Faveppay, that's a thing of the past. Ever wondered how to create a digital wallet that's as reliable as your trusty backpack? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Faveppay and learn how to set up your very own prepaid account. Before we get started, let's understand why a prepaid account might be a game changer for you. Think of it as a digital piggy bank, safe and secure, ready to be used whenever you need it. No more worrying about overspending or credit card fraud. Step-by-step guide. 1. Download the Faveppay app. The first step is to download the Faveppay app from your preferred app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. 2. Create an account. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password to protect your account. 3. Verify your identity. Faveppay takes security seriously. You'll need to verify your identity by providing a valid ID document, such as a driver's license or passport. 4. Fund your account. Now it's time to add funds to your prepaid account. Faveppay offers various funding options, including bank transfers, debit/credit card payments, and even cash deposits at designated locations. 5. Explore Faveppay features. With your account funded, you can start exploring the exciting features Faveppay has to offer. From sending and receiving money to making online payments, the possibilities are endless. Additional tips. Security. Always keep your Faveppay login details confidential. Avoid sharing your password with anyone. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, Faveppay's customer support team is always ready to assist you. Updates. Keep your Faveppay app updated to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements. So, there you have it. Creating a Faveppay prepaid account is a simple and straightforward process that can provide you with a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. Whether you're traveling, shopping online, or simply want to have a backup payment method, Faveppay is the perfect solution. Ready to experience the convenience of Faveppay? Download the app today and start creating your digital wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Faveppaying.